Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is about an upcoming live stream video that I will be streaming live January 28th at 5 p.m. I'm going to give something away. And you're probably wondering, what is it? It is not this truck. It is a set of Medesasi Splash Guards that I received from Medesasi. They sell these through Amazon. Last year they sent me these to do a review and comparison video on. Right now I have the GM Chevrolet authorized front and rear splash guards. Those splash guards are $120 for a complete set. These are I think less than 60. These, you have to drill 2 holes in the fender liner. That one has 2 rivets. This is these are 100% no drill installation. These are single walled. These are double, and so is the rear. Now on the rear, you have this rock guard back here, that stays there. The rear splash guard just fits around it. You use the 2 existing screws on the rock guard that screw into here. The front one, same thing. You remove the smaller splash guard that was on here. Those screws would just screw through here, and it's a piece of cake installation. So if you want a set of these for your 2019, 2020, and 2021 Chevy Silverado that does not have the fender flare kit on the front or the rear, these will fit. It doesn't matter if you have the wheel well liners in the front or the back, they will still work. So if you live within the continental United States, all you have to do in the comment section, leave a comment, Medesasi giveaway. I will write down all the names that I accumulate from the time this video is posted until Friday morning. I will put all those names in a bucket, and then Friday, January 28th at 5 p.m. when I start the live stream, I will pull a name out, and if you live within the United States, I will send you these. If you don't, I'm gonna have to pick the next person, and I don't want to send these overseas. I'm sure it's going to cost way too much money, probably more than they're actually worth. These are comparable to the WeatherTech splash guards. These are just double walled, and I like those. They do look pretty sweet. I had the WeatherTech ones on my other truck and they looked really nice. And these, the plastic on this feels like it's the same exact ABS as those. So if you want these, go ahead and leave a comment saying a Medesasi Splash Guard giveaway, and hopefully I'll pull your name Friday night at 5 p.m. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you Friday night at 5 p.m. And may your, see, I gotta think of something. I always, may your truck stay mud free. I can't get the word out. May your truck stay mud free. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be about an upcoming live stream video that I will be streaming on January 28th at 8 p.m. Damn. I was going to do a demonstration video, how to install them, but by the time that he got a hold of me, I had already ordered a set of GM factory authorized Tango. It's my damn cat up there. I'm gonna have to go kick his ass. Tango, get back, get back, get. But on the rear, you have this rockstone guard. That rockstone guard does stay in place. Okay, I think I'm out of breath. Whew, damn. Could I have Omicron? Damn, I hope not. Anyway, one more take. Amazon. I'm not going to say it this time. Never fails. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is being disrupted by another cheap ass little airplane. They still sent it to me. They wanted me to do a review and a comparison video. So I told them, sure, go ahead and do it. What is it with the airplane traffic today? Ah, freaking stupid. Freaking helicopter. It is a set of Medesasi Splash Guards that I received from Medesasi. They sell these through Amazon. They're maybe like 55 bucks, I think. God, another fucking Amazon. It's like 3 in a row. Now, and I have the GM Chevrolet factory authorized splash guards right now. Those splash guards are double walled. These are single. And I gotta go pee really bad.